So if you want to transfer your domain from Godaddy to Namecheap, you have to follow these quick steps. So let's just go over them. You basically have to navigate over to domains, then you actually have to find domain, and then you have to disable this lock thing. I'm thinking you have to do that. Then after that, you have to obtain the Godaddy auth code, and it's quite easy. You have to go for basic transfer to another registrar, and then you have to click continue. Then you have to click and enter the authorization code which you received on your email, I'm thinking, and then you have to disable Godaddy who has privacy protection if it's obviously enabled. When Godaddy privacy protection is disabled, you have to follow the policy, and then you're pretty much already then good to go. After that, after you enter the code, you can see over here the transfers in and transfers out to any other platform. It's pretty easy once you enter the code. It's actually pretty damn good. You can even here read the comments to see what's going on, and if you have any run into any issues, you can even ask us in the comments, or you can see here the comments, or even ask ChatGPT. It pretty much relies on you.